because somebody in one of my other videos asked about my four-wheeler, and I'm going to take a few minutes to show it to you. It's a 96 Polaris Xplorer 300 two-stroke. I've had it for around a year. Me and my dad rebuilt the whole motor on it, and I wanted to show it to you guys. Some of the features are headlight, four-wheel drive, a Craftsman toolbox that I mounted on the back, next full 3,000-pound winch with a switch on my handlebars and a remote on my keys. The funny part about my remote is I can have the quad off while I'm using the remote. Check out my helmet. This is my X-Full 3,000-pound winch. It has a synthetic line on it. This is my Craftsman box that I turned into a cargo box so that I can put like my tools, my four-person tent. Sometimes I'll even keep like drinks in there while I'm riding, since it's water sealed. It has a water seal on it. It has spots for a lock on the latches. I have an old worn out orange ratchet strap, a small recovery kit that just has a couple things in there, my toe strap, and that's it in there. And then let me show them the one under the seat. Now, under the seat I had a hidden compartment, like right behind it. I have my pliers, an actual good ratchet strap, spare parts, and a small first aid kit. It just has a few things in it. We haven't tried to put it in the trailer just yet, but we have it so that the measurements hopefully will be big enough to haul it. You want to see me go past?
This is my X-Full 3,000-pound winch. It has a synthetic line on it. The front end is a 3,000-pound winch. It has a